Happy 20th anniversary RPG Show. I have been a huge fan of RPG Show for well over 15 years. The 15 years that I've been here on YouTube, absolutely love their brand. Top tier, the services, the products, the quality of the hair never disappoints. It is T-Girl. I'm so proud to be able to celebrate this milestone with you all. I wish you plenty and plenty more years of success, and I really do hope that you guys have a phenomenal anniversary party there in your office. Again, thank you so much for the incredible hair products, and I look forward to supporting you guys for many more years to come. I love you guys. Mwah.
Small beginnings, no be crime, now in way them they follow body vision in my head. Big plans tomorrow, I don't put in the work, no surrender, no retreat. This sound a ginger, it go make you move your feet. Strong, my like Delhi, right? I feel the right, I dey see the high.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope that you guys are all doing well. So I'm back with a new wig video for you all. So I have this new wig from RPG Show, and they are also celebrating their 20th year anniversary. You guys be sure to leave a comment below wishing them a happy anniversary. They do also want to celebrate with you all, sharing a anniversary sale code. So if you guys want to save $140 off of your purchase, be sure to use discount code RPG20 to be able to save some cash. Now this code is only available for a limited time, so be sure to use it ASAP if you guys want to save off of your purchases. So here is the wig that I have. This wig is called Dominic 052. It is this gorgeous chestnut auburn brown 13 by 6 inch glueless lace front wig. It has the darker colored roots, and then it transitions to like that gorgeous auburn reddish brown color, which is perfect for this upcoming summer. You guys do notice that it does come with the removable combs. It also has a adjustable strap as well as a elastic band, providing a nice comfortable glueless fit each and every time you put the unit on. So my wig is 20 inches long, 200% density, and it's in this gorgeous curly texture, and this is what the unit looks like. Now I do like to put my units on my canvas block and prep it, so therefore I can just go ahead and throw it on and go. So I'm starting off using a sharp pair of cutting shears, and I'm going to remove the lace around the unit. This is a 13 by 6 inch lace wig, so you are going to need to remove the lace going from ear to ear. Once that's done, I'm going to work on the perimeter of the hairline, starting off using a little bit of water. Then gonna follow up with a little bit of my foamy wrap mousse. Then I'm going to take a brush and just slick everything back. Now, whenever I get these units, I have the idea that I want to wear it without baby hairs, and then later on I decide to add them. Now, you don't have to wear them at all. You guys can see how flawless this unit looks without the baby hairs. I did eventually add some later on throughout the video. So now I just went ahead and I applied my elastic edge band. I'm going to go ahead and allow that to sit. And then I'm going to work on the remainder of the hair, once again spritzing it down using some water. I followed up using a little bit of my spray-on leave-in conditioner, and then apply some of my foamy wrap mousse. Going to go in using my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush and clump those curls together. You guys can see how easily this unit comes together. Get yourself a good clumping brush, and you guys can see how those curls popped. Once I was finished with that, I just let the wig sit outside for a couple of hours, and it was 100% dry. Thank goodness to this Arizona dry heat. So this is a couple hours later. I went ahead and got myself together. This is what the unit looks like, 100% dry. You are going to need to scrunch the hair in your hands if you want to break off any casts. That's what I'm doing right now. You guys can see how the perimeter of the hairline set is ready to go, and this is what the unit looks like. Now this wig does have the 13 by 6 inch lace, and it does come pre-tinted, so therefore it blends in with a variety of different skin tones. I do like to use a little extra foundation just to get the perfect tint color. I'm going in with my Fenty foundation, going to apply that all over the lace, and you guys can see just how flawless it now blends in with my skin tone. Gonna go ahead and throw on my stocking cap, and we're gonna get this unit on and see what we're working with. now going to take my Ebin lace spray. I'm going to apply that just along the perimeter of my hairline just to make sure that this unit is going to lay nice, flat, and flush against my skin. So here is where I decided that I wanted to do some light baby hair. So I'm going to go ahead and pull those out. You don't have to do anything too dramatic. I just do what works for myself, which is a very subtle and light little swoop going around the side. I applied a little bit of gel and went ahead and brushed those out. And this is the look that I ended up going with. Now, if you guys want to know exactly how this unit will look on yourself without wasting your time or your money, definitely check out RPGSHOW's free virtual wig try on. All you have to do is upload a clear front facing photo of yourself, and you can choose up to 6 different styles and you can compare them to see exactly what style works for yourself. So if you are a fan of the unit that I have, but you might not be too certain about the actual color, be sure to use RPGSHOW's free virtual try on to make the deciding factor a whole lot easier. The link will be left down in the description box below. Okay, you guys, so this is what this unit is looking like. I absolutely love this color. I cannot describe how much I love this color. The way that it looks up against my skin tone, I just fell in love with it. I love the texture. It's giving a very subtle wet and wavy / curly summer-esque type of look, and it just works. It like literally just works. I can definitely see myself wearing this unit with a bathing suit or wearing like a maxi dress during the summertime. This is definitely going to be my summer staple, y'all. So you guys can see how subtle the baby hairs are. They're not too much. They're not too much. I know a lot of you guys do not like them. However, I find that they work better for myself. Once again, here is just a close-up of the color. It's in that gorgeous auburn brown. You can see slight red hues within there, and it just really works if you're melanated, and I am just absolutely here for it. And I just love the darkness of the roots. It gives a slight dimension so it doesn't look too dramatic, especially if you're a beginner and you're experimenting with colors yourself. So I went ahead and I just sort of threw this up in a clip. Once again, I love clipping my hair up. It kind of gives a completely different look with the unit, something that's more effortless, something that's like, you know, going out and about, running errands. So this is the style that I came up with. However, y'all know I am a sucker for the default style, so therefore I went ahead and took the clip down, and yeah, this is once again what this unit is looking like. So again, you guys do check out RPGSHOW. I will have all of the information located in the info section below. Be sure to take advantage of their 20th year anniversary discount, so you can save $140 when you use RPG20. That will be left down in the description box below as well. Y'all let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. I love you guys. Bye.